Do do many of your sales teams struggle to reach their goals? Perhaps it's because their goals are not their goals. It may sound redundant, but it's true. They're probably your goals that they think you want to hear from them, or perhaps during the month they set the goal. What's your goal? Well, my goal's 12. Okay. Or maybe you get a little more involved in that and break it down to how many customers they need a day. But I'm telling you, stats don't motivate salespeople. Why is it that 80 to 90% of our staff don't reach their goals? Again, I go back to because it's perhaps their goals are not their goals. And if your staff is that way, then this workshop is for you. We have a workshop for managers, for salespeople, that will teach them how to set meaningful goals. Most goals are meaningless, and the motivation that comes with them is a myth. We can help with that. Our workshop will change their lives. Take that 80 or 90% of your staff who don't reach their goals.